The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, released in September 2024, features a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 1320 by 2868 pixels. It is powered by the Apple A18 Pro chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM, offering storage options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB. The device houses a 4685 mAh battery, supporting wired charging via PD2.0 and up to 25W wireless charging through MagSafe. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone 16 Pro Max supports USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with DisplayPort, ultra-wideband, Wi-Fi 7, and satellite connectivity. It also introduces the second-generation MagSafe charging, allowing for up to 25W wireless charging, or 15W with Qi2 chargers. The camera system includes a 48MP wide lens, a 12MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 48MP ultrawide lens, and a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner for depth sensing. The device supports 4K video recording at various frame rates, including 120 frames per second, and offers features like 10-bit HDR and Dolby Vision HDR. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is available in black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and desert titanium colors. It is priced at approximately $1,199.99 in the United States and €1,758.00 in Europe.